In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one subtraction. According to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Inside this parentheses, we have 4 minus 1, which gives us 3. So 4 minus 1, then times 3. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here first we have to do this multiplication. 1 times 3 is just 3. So 4 minus 3, which equals 1. And this is our final answer to this problem.